Hi, today we are looking at this moon nightlight. It is really cool because it uses 3D printing, and so it has a very realistic texture of the moon. And you can just see how well that is printed on there. And I mean, just look at the details there. You get lots of little details. It looks nice. It has 16 different colors that it can change to. And I am changing it by touching this little metal piece at the bottom. And that's also where you can charge it or plug it in and use it with the cord as a nightlight. Or you can also charge it for 2 to 3 hours. And then you will be set to use this for about 10 to 20 hours, just depending. It comes with this really nice wooden stand. So you just go ahead and put it together. And it just gives it a really neat look. I mean, not like it needs any more coolness, but with this stand, it just adds so much to it. So as you can see how nice this looks, how great it would look in a kid's room that just really loves space and all things science, or just any kid's room, because just the lights changing, the moon, and knowing that the moon's in the sky, it's just really neat. So there's 3 ways that you can control this. You can touch the metal part at the bottom. You can use the remote that it comes with, or there's a slap function. So you just go ahead and walk past and slap it on the top, it'll change. That way the kids can easily change the color to what they want for the night. So here you can see now that it does offer different functions. So there's flash, strobe, fade, and smooth, all very easily accessed on the remote, but also accessed by the touch motion as you saw. Here's the cord it comes with to either plug it in for the night or just to charge it. If by chance the changing color is not working when you are not using the remote and you're using the touch, you can go ahead and push down on the metal for 8 seconds, and then it will restart it, and you can go ahead and start using it again with no issues. So that's an easy trick to fix maybe some kind of disconnect with the colors or what have you. No problems, just easily fixed.